gente! What is up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Gabby. Welcome. And welcome to HALLOWEEK 2020 Day 7. What? Oh my God. Whew. It's been a week. It's been a lot of work, but it's been a lot of fun. And I'm feeling very fulfilled. And I'm really proud of myself. I'm wearing my Mickey shirt. I miss Disney so much. I wanted to have like a primary colored shirt for my little pop art girl. So let's get into the look. Starting off, with the best combo, Rare Beauty and Milk Makeup priming mists. And then I'm gonna go in with an interesting concoction. I'm going in with my collab foundation and adding some of the Suva Beauty Hydra liner in white. I wanna be even more pale than this foundation already makes me. I'm adding a bit of Duraline in there just to thin out the formula to help mix everything up, particularly the Hydra liner. And let's see if this works. It did require a lot of finessing to blend it all out, but it eventually did. And then I added another 2 layers of foundation off camera. Ooh. If you know what that's from, you're a real one. Going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just setting the entire face. And now it's time to make this girl a real pop art girl. So I'm using some Halloween dollar store cream makeup in red to add the dots. Now I wish I had added the dots more in a grid, but I went in with more of like a window kind of application. Anyway, it didn't really work out, but whatever. So they look a little haphazard, but yeah, that wasn't my full intention. Using the KVD Vegan Beauty Trooper eyeliner to add the border along my face. I'm then going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony to create some nice, thick, blocky brows. Going in with the paint again just to touch up a few of the dots, and then going in with the eyeliner again to add some definition to the face. So I'm adding some lines as my cheekbones, and then a line for my nose, and some lines for my smile line as well. Going in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to prime these lids. And this eye that I'm doing is gonna be quite wearable every day. It's a simple bronzy eye. So going in with the Desi X KDX Dose of Colors, I love this palette. I'm going in with Churro and just adding a wash of color to the entirety of the lid and the lower lash line as well. Then I'm going in with Bodyography Off the Hook. This is a pressed glitter pigment, one of my favorites. I literally use this every single day when I used to wear makeup. Then adding a Moment, this gorgeous blue color, to the outer corners of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna buff that to the outer corners of my upper lash line as well. Adds a nice feline, smoked out moment. And now it's time to add the tears. I'm going in with this color from ColourPop Cosmetics in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This is called the Pisces. It was part of her Zodiac collection, but it's just a gorgeous aqua shimmery shade. And as a Pisces, I kind of needed to get this shade. So I'm using that to add my teardrops. In the case that you want to recreate this look, definitely use a Q-tip. Use a Q-tip to add the dots, use a Q-tip to make the tears. It was just far easier with the Q-tip. So I'm just outlining the tears with black and then adding a little bit of highlight with the white. Taking my ColourPop Cosmetics and I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner. This is also in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. This Super Shock highlighter is called On the Cusp. And that's not really doing it for me, so I went in with Bodyography Halo, and that definitely gave it to me. I applied this in the inner corner of the eyes, and then I kind of smushed it towards my crease. Now I'm doing some lashes, BRB. Here I am with my lashes. I'm not gonna even tell you how long it took. I'm just refreshing my face. This foundation is really drying. But now I'm going in with my Game of Thrones, the Night King eyeliner. And I'm just adding that to the outer corner of my waterline. And I'm also adding some shading to the tears. Going back in with the highlighter and applying that, the classic spots to the cheeks, to the chin, to the nose. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Liner in Frenchie. And then going in with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Versatile Chestnut. And adding the shade to add dimension to the lips. So I'm mainly using this on the outer corners of my lips and just adding some depth and shading. And using a lip brush and my fingies to blend it all out. Added a little bit more Frenchie just to lighten the center of the lips, and then going in with a Fenty gloss. adding some sad furrowed little brow wrinkles. And now this look is complete. So this look came together pretty quickly, and I think it's super cute. It's super simple. All you need to do is wear primary colors with this look, honestly. But the eye look itself is so wearable, so pretty, and it's just a really quick, easy look that has a good payoff to it, I think. I remember doing this look for one of my best friends back in the day, back in our college days, and I'm glad that I recreated it. Look at me just being extra. Mi gente, this look is complete. I really hope that you enjoyed my HALLOWEEK 2020 series. I try to do some really wearable looks that still had a big impact. So I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you got some inspiration. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, if you like my vibe, if you want more. Definitely follow me on Instagram at @GoGabiGabi for some behind the scenes of these looks and some reels and some photos of these looks. And give this video a thumbs up, comment. I appreciate it so. So I hope you like this video. I'm gonna catch you in the next one, and just remember to drink some water, take a breath. I believe in you, and I'm sending you so much light, paz, and mucho, mucho, mucho amor. Hasta la próxima. See you in the next video. Bye. Said goodbye.